About this item 30W PD, this car charger supports Samsung 25W super fast charging 1.0. Compatible devices including Samsung Galaxy S23/S23 Plus/S23 Ultra/S22/S22 Plus/S22 Ultra/S21/S21 Plus/S21 Ultra/S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra/S20 Face/Note 20/Note 20 Ultra/Note 10/Note 10 Plus/Z Fold 3/2/Z Flip 3/A71/A52/A53. Full charge these devices in 70 minutes. In addition, 30W PD car charger also support full speed charging for 2021/2020/2018 iPad Pro 12.9/11, iPad Air 4, Google Pixel, older Galaxy series, Switch and other USB-C devices. 60W dual port fast charging, with twin 30W, 33W PPS port. You can share a pleasant charging time with your family and friends by simultaneously charging two devices at total 60W max power. This car charger can meet the full speed charging requirements of two most advanced mobile phones at the same time, surpassing PD and QC chargers' premium materials and design. Worser's Type-C car charger is made of alloy with a scratch-resistant surface suitable for the most untouched vehicle interiors. Gold-plated tubing reduces heat during charging while maximizing charging speed and efficiency. Unparalleled safety. During design and production, we organize multi-protection system to ensure the longevity, like smart chip for intelligently distributing current, well-made components against short circuit, overvoltage, and overheating, strong clamps for anti-loose. All these just because we can't ignore that car phone charger is a staple part for both your car and phone. What you get: Worser's dual 30W USB-C car charger adapter X1, 3.3 feet USB-C to C cable X2, Worser's Care X 18 months. PLS email us first if you have any problems or concerns. We will be sure to reply in 24 hours. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item 30W PD, this car charger supports Samsung 25W super fast charging 1.0. Compatible devices including Samsung Galaxy S23